This is all-in Business Immersion Program, a 5-day program in Singapore designed for high school students who are interested in business. They went through hands-on workshops, company and campus visits, networking events, and finally pitched their ideas and prototypes to angel investors from various backgrounds at the end of the program. Through this program, students will be able to develop entrepreneurial mindset and skills, build their own product prototypes, and connect with industry professionals and like-minded peers, and build networks and friendships globally. On top of that, students will also get a chance to fund their business project, combining the values, perspectives, and insights from their interaction with professionals and the impact that they want to bring to the world. This is what All-In aims for every student: to take on their future, hone their skills and potential, give back to the community, and aspire, learn, and lead others.